cash go so sharp, stop playing with him.
VOGUE in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking questions, I'm designing to the fitting if you want me.
No, I look fat. Hi guys. I'm not gonna say hey guys, but the walking sucks actually. Okay, so today we're going to be following Rihanna's makeup tutorial. That's why we're in the bathroom, because we're still in VOGUE's vibes today. I just got up the shower, so my face is kind of dry. But I'm just using the Nivea's body cream men's lotion. I mean, not men's lotion, cocoa butter. For my foundation, I'm gonna of course be using Fenty Beauty in the color 330. She just legitimately goes from her, I do this too, but you know, straight. Well, what we noticed was she just took the beauty blender and just was no shame in the game. I never apply my makeup like this, but you know, Rihanna is flawless, so we gonna follow Rihanna. And I'm just using my Real Technique sponge. We're gonna get up in there. And one thing my fiance noticed, Rihanna don't get mad at me, but he said she didn't bring it down her neck. But we gotta bring this down her neck, Rihanna. Unless you just skip that part out. And I've got a mirror behind this camera. Good God, can't see nothing. This is what I do. I like to do it like this, and we got some trouble spots down there. So Rihanna. Okay, so once we've got the foundation to, I like it flawless. Okay.
I can do my makeup in 10 minutes or 10 hours, it feels like.
Total. I agree. So I know you guys can see that my skin is flawless. I actually went to go look up close at my skin. So if you don't like setting your face or if you have acne, it really covers. And I mean, I think we look flawless. So, okay, Rihanna. All right, let's see what's next. It looks like she's contouring next, and I finally found all of my contour stuff. Oh, she's really contouring. Rihanna really contours. Okay, let's hear what she's saying.
My next step is gonna be a little bit of contour.
We're gonna use Mocha.
Mocha here.
Oh, she's using Mocha too.
Right here. Very important.
So, she said right there. She said, not like how you see it in a YouTube tutorial. Ah, look at me following hers. I'm gonna just go all along my forehead like she did. I can't believe we're using the same shade because hers is just really melting into her skin. And she starts at the tip of her nose. And then brings it up. I like my nose contour a little bit more snatched. Okay, Rihanna's going a bit too fast for VOGUE. She brought a shit ton on that forehead. So she blended out her contour with one of her contour brushes. I don't have one, but Fenty, you can go on ahead and send me everything I don't got, okay?
I get it how I live it. I live it how I get it.
And personally, this is like more of a natural look. I guess this is Rihanna's natural look because this girl like full of coverage. What did she use to put her nose contour? I know she didn't use this brush. I know. Rihanna. Oh, she did use a brush. Okay, Rihanna. I love her. All right, so we're gonna just take this. I mean, our skin looks good. I mean, Rihanna is a billionaire. This nose contour is actually a nice color to snatch the nose. Rihanna. You see me, girl? You see me, girl? Okay. So contour actually looks fucking snatched. What? Skin looks good, contour looks snatched. I mean, I don't have no problems. Let's see what this highlight is about. So she likes to wipe her concealer on her hand first. On her hand. And then she used a mini beauty blender. And I'm using the concealer stick in the color Bamboo. And she also does one eye at a time. I'm gonna just take the other end of the beauty blender. Bring it, like put it on the brush and then just bring it down the bridge. So we're gonna go in with our blotting powder. I'm so excited that I have finally found it. So we just set our face with the Fenty Beauty Universal Setting Powder. So we're gonna go in with a bit of bronzer. She didn't tell us what kind of bronzer she used, but I'm gonna just use bronzer from the drugstore. She actually just wiped it back and forth. This is like, you know, I don't ever wipe it just back and forth. I'm gonna go down the side of the nose. I would never go down the side of the nose with a brush like this, so thanks, Rihanna. So she just came back with her little poppin' ass brows on, so. Brows. She took the same bronzer to just wipe it all over her eye. Oh, I don't have Rihanna's Beach Please, but I do have Jacqueline Hill, huh? Bitch Please is, you know, much lighter, but I'm gonna add this pink shade too. So for her blush and stuff, I don't really have it, so I'm gonna just go in with this little orange and just kind of tap that in a bit. I'm gonna go in with 2 highlights because I've got 2 from Rihanna. Then I'm gonna go in with the infamous Trophy Wife. I'm gonna also put some Trophy Wife because I don't have her little shebangy bangy bangy stuff. So Rihanna seems to really enjoy highlight. So we're gonna go in with some more Fenty Beauty. So for my lip gloss, I'm gonna make it a bit little sparkly like Riri's. I'll just add some eyeshadow to my lip. I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. I'm gonna actually set my face. I'm gonna put on my lashes and I'll be right back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial of me following Rihanna's 10-minute makeup. It actually took me like 30 minutes, but that's besides the point. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Got 'em asking questions, I'm designing to the fitting. If you want me at your party, man, just text me that it's lit. Oh, bad bitches only in my section. Bitches only and that's a lesson.